Most people think every plant is harmless. Beautiful flowers, relaxing greenery, peaceful gardens. But what if some plants are quietly attracting snakes, damaging foundations, triggering breathing problems, or even increasing the risk of dangerous falls for seniors? And strangely, many older homeowners grow these plants without realizing the hidden danger. Today, we're revealing 7 plants seniors should never grow near their home, especially after retirement. But stay until the end, because the final plant on this list looks innocent, smells wonderful, and yet experts say it may be one of the most troublesome plants for elderly homeowners. And number 3, that one shocked even experienced gardeners. Let's begin. Bamboo looks calming. It creates privacy, blocks noise, and gives the garden a relaxing tropical feel. But beneath the soil, bamboo can become a silent invader. Some bamboo varieties spread aggressively underground through something called rhizomes. And here's the frightening part. Those roots can travel far beyond where they were planted. They can crack sidewalks, invade neighboring yards, damage pipes, and even weaken parts of a home's foundation over time. For seniors, this becomes exhausting. What starts as a simple, decorative plant can turn into years of expensive maintenance and physical labor. One retired homeowner in Florida said his bamboo spread nearly 20 feet in just a few seasons, and removing it cost more than replacing his roof. Imagine planting something beautiful, only to spend your retirement fighting it. But bamboo isn't the only plant that quietly creates danger around the home. The next one may actually attract creatures most seniors never want near their porch. Plant number 6, juniper bushes. Juniper bushes are popular because they're low maintenance. But there's a hidden issue many people don't talk about. Their dense branches create the perfect hiding place for snakes, rodents, and insects, especially in warmer climates. And as we age, reaction time becomes slower. A surprise encounter with a snake near the walkway, or tripping while trying to trim thick shrubs, can become a serious safety issue. What's interesting is that many pests love cool, shaded spaces near the foundation of homes. Juniper creates exactly that. And because the bushes become thick over time, seniors often struggle to safely maintain them. Now here's where things become even more surprising. The next plant is found in thousands of American gardens, but doctors say it can quietly affect breathing. Plant number 5, male mulberry trees. At first glance, mulberry trees seem wonderful. Fast-growing shade, beautiful leaves, peaceful atmosphere. But male mulberry trees release enormous amounts of pollen. And for seniors with asthma, allergies, or breathing sensitivity, this can become a nightmare during pollen season. Some cities have even discouraged planting them because of how heavily they affect air quality. Now think about this. You retire hoping to enjoy mornings outside with coffee and fresh air, but instead, you're sneezing, coughing, and avoiding your own yard. And there's another hidden problem. Fallen berries from certain mulberry varieties create slippery surfaces on sidewalks and patios. For older adults, a single fall can change everything. Which brings us to the next plant. A plant many gardeners love for its beauty, but it hides a dangerous secret underground. Plant number 4, wisteria. Wisteria is breathtaking. Its cascading flowers look like something from a fairy tale. But what most people don't realize is this vine grows incredibly heavy over time. It can damage fences, gutters, pergolas, and even pull apart wooden structures. Some vines become so thick they resemble tree trunks. And because wisteria grows aggressively, constant pruning becomes necessary. For seniors, climbing ladders and trimming heavy vines can become risky very quickly. But here's the strange part. Wisteria can also wrap around nearby plants and slowly choke them. Gardeners often call it beautiful destruction. And if you think that sounds bad, wait until you hear about the next plant, because this one may actually increase mosquito activity around the home. Plant number 3, English ivy. English ivy has a classic, elegant appearance. Old cottages covered in ivy look charming in photographs, but in real life, it can quietly damage homes while creating ideal hiding places for insects. Ivy traps moisture against walls. Over time, that moisture may contribute to mold, wood rot, and structural problems. And mosquitoes love damp, shaded environments. For seniors, mosquitoes aren't just annoying. They can carry diseases that become more dangerous with age. But here's the part most homeowners never expect. English Ivy can also become extremely slippery when it spreads across walkways or stones. One rainy morning is all it takes, and suddenly, a peaceful garden becomes a dangerous place. But the next plant is perhaps the most emotionally surprising on this list, because many seniors plant it specifically to attract beauty and peace. Yet it may unintentionally invite constant frustration. Plant number 2: fruit trees too close to the house. There's something deeply comforting about fruit trees. They remind many seniors of childhood, family gatherings, simpler times. But planting fruit trees too close to the house creates several hidden problems. Falling fruit attracts ants, rats, raccoons, flies, and sometimes snakes. Rotting fruit also creates slippery ground, and trimming large fruit trees becomes physically demanding over time. But there's another issue many homeowners never consider. Tree roots naturally search for water. If planted too close to the home, roots can slowly interfere with plumbing systems and underground pipes. Now imagine dealing with clogged pipes, pest infestations, and slippery sidewalks all at once during retirement. That peaceful dream garden suddenly becomes exhausting. But none of these compare to the final plant, because this plant is sold almost everywhere. People love the smell. Butterflies love it. Yet many gardeners eventually regret planting it near their homes. Plant number 1: mint. Yes, mint. The same refreshing herb used in tea. The same plant that smells clean and relaxing. Mint spreads aggressively, and once it escapes into the garden, it can take over flower beds, lawns, and pathways surprisingly fast. Many seniors plant a tiny amount, thinking it will stay controlled. It rarely does. Its underground runners spread quietly beneath the soil, and removing it later can become physically exhausting. But here's the deeper reason mint made this list. Retirement gardening should bring peace, not constant maintenance battles. The older we get, the more important it becomes to create a garden that gives energy instead of stealing it. A calm garden, a safe garden, a manageable garden, not one that creates stress every season. And honestly, that may be the most important gardening lesson of all. A garden should become more peaceful as we age. Less danger, less stress, less maintenance. And sometimes, the smartest gardening decisions are not about what to plant, but what to avoid. Now, I'm curious. Which plant surprised you the most? Have you ever planted something that became a nightmare later? Share your story in the comments below. Your experience could help another senior homeowner avoid a costly mistake. And if you enjoyed this video, you'll love our next one. 10 flowers that keep snakes away naturally. Don't miss it. Subscribe, relax, and keep growing wiser every day.